Hi, this is Melissa Juergens from the Roswell Library, and I'm going to show you how to put some Southwest in your soul with the recipe Eddie's Turnip Greens from Eddie Hernandez of Taqueria del Sol. You can find this recipe and other recipes of his in his cookbook Turnip Greens and Tortillas, which is available with your library card as an ebook from Overdrive. So stay tuned and see how to fix these greens. Hi, this is Melissa Juergens from the Fulton County Library System. Today I'm going to show you how to make key lime pie popsicles. With the weather heating up, popsicles make a great treat, and this is an easy recipe that kids can make by themselves or with minimal adult supervision. And we'll only need 4 ingredients: half and half, sweetened condensed milk, key lime juice, and ginger snap cookie crumbs to finish them off. If you can't find key lime juice, you can use half lemon and half lime juice for the same effect. So to start with, we'll use our can of sweetened condensed milk, and you're going to want to mix this up in a large measuring cup. You could even go with a quart size one. It doesn't have to be quite this big. If you don't have that, you could even use a pitcher to mix it up in, but you're going to want something with a spout to make it easy to pour into your popsicle molds when you're through. So 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of half and half, and 3/4 cup of the key lime juice. Okay, now I'm going to stir all that up, and once we've got it mixed up really good, we're going to pour it into our popsicle molds right here. This makes enough for 10 popsicles. I only have 6 molds, so that means I can save the mix for a couple of days in the refrigerator, and after we've eaten some, I can make up some more. If you don't have popsicle molds, you can use paper cups with craft sticks. You'll want to insert the craft sticks about halfway through the freezing process, or if you're afraid you're going to forget, you can cover them with tinfoil, and that will poke the sticks through the tinfoil, and that will hold them in place until they're frozen. Okay, I think we've got it mixed up pretty well. And let's start pouring them in our molds. Okay. Don't go past the fill line, or it will be difficult to get them back out of the mold after it's frozen. And we'll just pop these sticks in and put them in the freezer. Allow about 6 hours for them to freeze. And then once they're done, I will show you how to finish them off with the cookie crumbs. Okay, we've got our popsicle that we run under warm water to unmold. And we're going to take the finished popsicle, and we have our cookie crumbs, ginger snap crumbs. If you don't like ginger snap, you can also use graham cracker or Nilla wafer or Oreo even. And now you have your key lime pie popsicle, and it's ready to serve. Cheers.